Count 1 to 100. Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 40,
30 pa. Uy.
30,
Oh.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35,
Ayos.
35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54,
Ano ba yan?
55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71,
Umarap ka muna.
72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Wow, very good. Bukas or next time gusto mo mag-write naman, ha?
Tapos na kami.
Hindi, write yung numbers 1 to 100, ha? Para alam mo na. Okay ba yun? Uy, dyan!
Opo.
1 to 100 mag-write, ha?
Ulo,
Ha?
200 kasama?
O, gusto mo 1 to 200?
Ayaw.
Oh, 100 lang.
Oo.
Okay, sige.
1, 200.
Ayos muna, bye-bye muna.
Bye-bye.
Ano ba yan? Hindi na nakita yung mukha.
Bye-bye.